All right, now we're live. Here we go with a little technical difficulty. The Whale Trading Network doing the chart request show from the Discord requests. With me, we have a Mager. How you doing,
What's
brother?
going on, guys? Hey, man. Long week.
Yeah, it's definitely been a long as week. We had a little trouble getting the show started there. Needed to get updated indicator over to him. And then we lost all the charts.
Yeah, I'm not too happy right now.
Make sure you save those charts. No, man, I ain't going to save those. I just deleted a bunch of stuff. Oh, well. Well, we live and we learn, right?
Yeah, I get to do it again. That's fine.
It's good practice.
Yeah.
All right, so we have the show here, and we're going to go over what we have in the requests. But first, we will talk about the memberships here, right? So if you want to get into the Discord and put your requests in, you can join the link that's in the description and get some feedback. And in the membership channel, you can subscribe, get into the Discord, get access to the Albert Einstein bot, who will send you all of the, this son of a bitch. There you go. How about that? That looks a little better. You click these little links here on the bottom, you'll see you can join the chat. You can join the chat plus the alerts, which includes Albert Einstein access, or you can get the custom indicator installed right on your own Discord or your own TradingView account. So it's pretty cool, and we're pretty proud of it. So just for a modest fee to keep everything running here. So. But we will jump into the, let's transition this back, and we'll jump into the requests here. And we are looking at the first one. I gotta find it here. Oh, okay. The first one, of course, is going to be Bitcoin for Mono.
Nice. So, yeah, well, Bitcoin had a nice move today. I mean, well, it's been having a nice move.
Looks like I lost a Mager here, so hold on a sec here.
We're having some difficulties.
Oh. All right, sorry, brother. Go ahead.
You get me? You got me now?
I was trying to mute my feedbacks. That's what I get for not having an engineer run the soundboard for me. Yeah,
that's all right, bro. Hey, so like I was saying, Bitcoin had, a nice little move today. Last 2 days. I mean, yeah, it's in FOMO right now on the daily. So it closed over the band, and I mean, technically this is a successful retest. Even though it went under, it doesn't matter. It's going to close over, I would assume anyway, in the next 32 minutes, right? The 4 hour, I mean, there's tons of room here. The 5 day, now, as I just said in the Discord, when me and Pi had a discussion about turning the alerts off, they were supposed to be strictly just the alerts. I guess there were a little bit of miscommunication, but I guess the prints were being turned off as well. So that error has been rectified. The dots will print going forward. Next time, if there's anything like that, we're just gonna mute the 5 day channel in the Discord, just so we don't have any kind of other confusion, right? Regardless, Bitcoin still looks a little iffy here. This 50 is about to cross on the 100. I mean, we're well below the basis line on the 50. We're breaking bare though. We're breaking the 200, and I mean this is a big resistance zone right here. To be breaking, in my opinion. It's a neckline that we've been battling here technically for the last little over a month, right? So it'll be interesting to see if we can push up this high, but I don't really think so. I was saying, I know I lost a lot of the lines that I had marked and the structures and everything, but I was saying 88 right here. So $8,889 or something, whatever this 100 is. Um, I said that a few days ago that that was a possibility, right? Um,
Mm-hmm.
it's still a possibility. I mean, but I'm just not holding my breath right now. There's just too many bearish factors that I've highlighted in the chat that I can't ignore, right? This basis line, right? We lost it here. This is on a monthly too, right? This is a monthly time frame. We just lost it here. There hasn't been any other time other than this here that we lost it and gained it back right away. But we haven't even gained it back yet. So we can't even really compare this to that because it's not the same, right? So realistically, I'm comparing it to what happened last time because the structure is almost identical. Uh, right here to here, dropped down out of bull channel, right? Came up, retested that nine, lost it, went down to the basis. Same thing that happened here, right? We came a little bit above the nine, right? Instead, and then we barely dropped below the bases, but here we went under, right? So that's pretty much the same move when you think about it, right? Then the continuation over, right? The retest on it and drop down, right? The same thing here, right? This was probably what people were thinking too, right? Oh, right, we're going because it's been so many months red and now we're green again, so it's got to go, right? I mean, there's just way too many similarities to ignore here. This says a lot too, right? So there's still way too risky to be calling a bottom here. The 5 days bullish though. I mean, it called the buy 10 days ago. I mean, unfortunately,
Yeah,
like
it
I
was
said,
March 7th.
was it March 7th?
Yeah, that's because the candle opened on the second, so it doesn't close till the
Oh,
seventh.
okay, yeah, the 7th. Okay, so yeah, printed on the 7th, right? So, we could be seeing something similar like this, right? It's pretty much the same move almost, right? Broke up at a capitulation. It was just, this is a little bit prolonged. This one was a quicker move, right? But this was also a steeper sell-off than this was, right?
Mm-hmm.
So. Uh, that's yet to be seen. I mean, we really need to get up over our basis lines, right? So, until we tackle these on these on these time frames, I'd be watching, right? Even watching the 2 day doesn't hurt here, right? Because you're trying to locate a bottom, right? So you need to try to intertwine as many time frames as you can going up, right? Once you secure certain levels on the lower time frames, right? So as you can see here, like we're up over the bases, right? So that the 4 hour we're up over, which is key, right? The daily we're up over, which is key. The two
Mm-hmm.
day we're over, which is key, right? But the 3 day we're not yet, right? And that's a big resistance zone. Same with this one. 75 is huge, right? So it'll be interesting to see how it plays out. If we can break up over towards this, right? Be nice. But honestly, I just can't see us breaking up up over this right now. But I mean, this says we can and we will. So I mean, let's try to trust that, right? I mean, it hasn't been
Mm-hmm.
wrong here yet. Um, Interesting to see. Like I said, I think it was last live for sure, but I think it was 2 weeks ago that I said I would be buying um the red days going forward, right? So I mean, buying pullbacks here, it's smart DCA, right? Just keep buying the red and try to sell the green. Uh, don't need to completely exit the position. Just make sure you take some profit. That's a good way to accumulate and mitigate risk to uh risk to reward, right? So you don't want to take on too much risk down here. I know it's great now. It's 74,000. We were just over 100, right? But remember, Bitcoin can still go down quite a bit, right? And for a long period of time.
Mm-hmm.
So, um, but yeah, I mean, as of right now, Bitcoin looks strong.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, last week they pulled in 767 million in the ETF inflows.
yeah. I mean, the institutional interest is there. I mean, we know that. It's just all this war stuff and tariff stuff and everything.
Yeah.
It's like, when's the next FU bomb hit? You know what
Yeah.
I mean? Or when's Trump gonna blow up Greenland or
Yeah. I don't know what the hell
whatever? You
happened to
know?
that.
Yeah, well, it didn't go away. Trust me, it'll be back, right? Like, there's just a lot of factors that we can't really brush aside just because we want it. Sorry, just because we want it to be bottom, right? I
Yeah.
mean, if it could very well be, I mean, and that'd be awesome. I mean, I know I'd be happy about
Mm-hmm.
you, right? But
Yeah, oh
in the
yeah,
same
I'd be
sense,
ecstatic.
yeah, but in the same sense, I'm not setting myself up for that. I'm not because you're gonna set yourself up for some disappointment
Yeah.
if
Well,
you're
last time we were
you
below the bases, how long did it last
uh
on that monthly?
on which time on the monthly. I think it was 463 days or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Something or one of them was crazy. I don't think this one was that long. I think it's this one. Yeah, well, technically 518 days.
Yeah. Well, let's hope it's not another 518 day.
Yeah. And I mean, and like, look, guys. So that's what I'm saying. There's way too much risk here to be like, hey, you know what I mean? Uh, like, yeah, it looks great and everything, but is it great? I don't know. It's yet to be seen.
Yeah.
Um, the
Yeah, because we're not
five,
shooting for 125,000. We're
no.
trying to go much higher.
Oh, way higher, right?
Yeah.
If you're going back up here, all you're doing is making a double top,
Yeah.
and everything's so low now that by the time that it does get back up there and things, people take profit and things pump and take more profit and stuff, things will be pretty much back to, close to where they were or maybe even lower, right? So there's a big possibility of that too. Um, but yeah, just looking at this, it says a lot, right? Um, and like I said, this basis line, you can follow it through on the lower time frame, and you lose it right. I think it was right here is when you lose it on this one, right? And this one wasn't as long. I think it was this one we lost it on, and then we got it back on this one. And it was like 243 days, and I mean this one's at 28 days, guys. So I mean, it's hard for me to say for you guys to be calling you bottom and load the boat kind of thing.
Yeah.
But like I've been saying the whole time, uh, buy the red days and sell the green days right now. I mean, you can't go. No one went broke taking profit, right?
Right.
Um,
And you're not going to
so
get a bunch of, hype from us. We're going to try and tell exactly the way it is, and try and make good decisions for everybody.
yeah, that's
Well,
right.
yep. Next, he's looking for Ethereum. So we'll hit
Yeah.
the top two.
So Ethereum kind of the same boat. I mean, we were looking at it in Discord today. This is bullish. I mean, like uh,
It's up 8% today.
yeah. I mean, I told you to buy here. Told you to buy here. Will red dot come? I don't know on the daily. They don't always come when you want them to. So the 4 hour is always my go-to if I'm going to be trying to look for take profit or a stop loss or something. And I mean, as you can see, it's still got tons of room here, man. Like it can go up to here, right? When you see this string of red dots, that's when you know, right? This is what you want to see. Like when you see continuation of a bunch of red dots, you know you're ripping. Till this usually gets to the top or almost to the top, and then when that's at the top, this is when you're looking to take some profit or set a stop loss for sure, right? Um, and then low went again, right? Into another big string. We're not getting that here, right? So that scares me a little bit, right? Um, because like even here, like low, we had red dots before that run up. Like even
Mm,
here, right? There's maybe not so much here. You had a decent run up here, right? But this is a pretty decent run up off of this, right?
yeah.
No red dot yet. But again, there
Yeah, the
is
RSI and the Stoke are getting pretty high there, so I mean,
yeah,
I
exactly.
suspect I'm going to see some red dots here shortly.
Yeah, for sure. There's gonna be and again, it's getting close to close too, right? And that's a scary candle right there that's forming. Ugly doji, right? Like, look, right? So these are the candles that we watch for because it means that there's selling pressure here, right? And I mean, we knew that anyway. 2024, 25 is going to be a hot spot. 26. Eh, honestly, this is where I see max right now without like it going down a bit. And if we get lucky enough to get up here, right? Definitely look for a handle. I mean, you could almost bet your dollar you're gonna see something play here to that
Mm,
effect, right? Right? Something like this that that could play out, right? Something in around here, and then a bounce off of this, and then go right. But or well, not this, so somewhere in around there, right? So again, we'll have to keep watch. As of right now, I mean, ETH's bullish, sure, but it got some scary candle, right? Right here, holding the bull channel on our trader time frame, and look, this is what I'm telling you guys to watch for, right? Same with like on the 4 hour, right? So you start seeing these big string dots, right? That's what you want to see, right? But look, you can see that this here bears divergence there, right? Sold off into it. Or MACD's going up, price going down. Uh, I'm not, I'm not a huge fan of ETH here right now, but I mean, ETH can run. Let's don't kid yourself. It's in full on FOMO on almost all the important time frames. Like look at that. That there says a lot, right? Uh, ETH doesn't get into FOMO too often, close over like this kind of fake out, right? But
Mm-hmm.
we rejected off of the 100 there. There is nothing for us to reject off of here on the daily, right? So we could very well see this kind of move right here. Uh, no joke, right? So again, something to really watch for. Uh, I'd be paying super close attention because this 9 is going to cross over this 50 here, and this is a FOMO channel. It's not even a bull channel. You can see how tight they're getting, and they're pointing straight up, right? So I'd be following these two lines right here. So I'd be 2204 and 2131. Uh, those are the two numbers that I'll be watching for on the daily, right? We don't want to lose that channel. Uh, we'll come down to test the basis line, right? Um, so we had a break over, retest here, and we've been going up ever since, right? So it's something that I always tell you guys to be watching for, right? Break over, retest, going up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So watch those numbers, man. Watch that channel. I'd be watching that like a hawk right now if I was still in this right now in this trade. I'd be watching the important time frames, trader time frames, right? And like I said in chat, the buyers are still present. Like this is going to cross again by the looks of it. Touched the bases perfect and went right back up into a bull channel, right? So
Yeah, I'm assuming the shorts are opening up pretty big here.
yeah, which could be a good thing, right?
Okay, let's see here. All right, next one we're going to be looking at XRP here.
Oh no, just
Oh
give me one sec.
yeah, it's everybody's favorite coin. What are you talking about?
Yeah, sorry, I forgot to get a glass of water.
Yeah. Well, let's see. The
Yeah, I'm good. All right, XRP. I think that's here. Holding the bull channel. Oh, that bearish divergence. I can see it right away. Price going up, back D going down. That's not good. Trader time frame. This looks all right though. You'd have to see how the lower time frames hold up into this, right? But you're probably going to see another red dot here right away, and that could be a good thing, right? You want to see this. This is what you need to see. This is what will signal your run ups is your 4 hour red dots. So that they're good and bad, right? You do want to see them, but you don't want to see them at the same time.
yeah,
Um, XRP printed a gold dot yesterday
on the
and
daily.
and had a 7% move today. So if you took advantage of that dot, good for you. Um, it's broken up into FOMO on the daily. So close over. Well, it's technically not into FOMO yet. It broke up into FOMO. So it closed today in 11 minutes. I would say it's going to close over. It's pretty close to a retest. So if it closes above this again tomorrow, it's in FOMO, and which is pretty good because XRP doesn't really go into FOMO too often like this guy, right? So see what I mean? You got to be really careful here. Like everyone thought it was going to the moon here too, right? I think I remember telling Pi to sell it here,
I don't
and he
remember
was
that.
yeah, as we used to say.
Yeah. What was that date? Yeah, we didn't have the indicator back then. So, right? So, here we are.
Well, I did tell you guys I'll just sell it here, and you guys all laughed at me. Everybody, you're selling XRP at
What are you,
350?
moron?
Yeah, you're damn straight I am. What do you mean? You guys aren't? I felt like the black sheep, and then it did go up a little bit the next day,
Right.
and I was like, uh-oh, did I maybe make a boo-boo? I didn't FOMO back in, and then look,
Yeah.
ever since I was like, it didn't get me. I wish I sold it all, but I didn't. I'm a
Yeah.
sucker.
Well,
But at least I sold a lot of it.
yeah, that's right. And you never know with the oil spike, and we can have that reverse carry trade unwind with
Yeah.
the
Well,
financial global collapse.
I mean, Albert's still down large on this guy, so, and I'm sure he'll make his money back. I mean,
He's still up
realistically,
over
guys,
2.2 million.
no, I know. I just mean off of this dot, right? Um,
Oh yeah.
you could see this similar thing take place here, but I can't see it. I mean, I don't even know why it didn't print one here. It should. It had one, and now it didn't.
Yeah, earlier this morning it was there.
Yeah,
It faded. So I have to assume it's because of the averages moved up.
something. But that's okay. Um, yeah, I mean, XRP, $1.50. Do you want it? I mean, that's up to you. I wouldn't be buying it. Not here. I mean, if you bought it here, good for you. Uh, if you bought it even lower, even better, right? But I mean, this could be a good accumulation zone, and it looks like it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, is it accumulation for expansion or distribution, right? You'd have to watch the heavier resistance on this guy, right? And I would be betting, man. Oh, okay, I was gonna say it's gonna be $1.95, but no. So by the time that came down to be about
Yeah. It's going to
buck
average down.
80, yeah, but buck 82 or something. That's gonna be the big dog on this guy, right? Then again, these are gonna cross lots of bases. It's just breaking out of a bear channel, right? So, we'll have to watch and see what happens here, right?
Yeah, well, it took
Broke,
a while
bro
to finally cross that 200. Kept getting rejected.
Yeah, so I mean that's good, right? And it not only took down the 200, it took the nine down too, right? So,
Yeah.
uh, again, I'd be watching here between 180 and 190. That's going to be the big nut to crack, right? As you can see right here, right? This is going to be in around here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, like yeah, it's got a way to go, right? Uh. But look, it's got a ton of roof,
Yeah, there's a lot
and
of room to move there.
yeah, just the stochastic's really high, right? RSI's great. RSI's great, to be honest with you. Just flipping bullish. So, we'll have to wait and see, right? Like, look, see, just flipping bullish, right? So it was right around here that it started going up. Made a bigger move, right? 12, 15, say call it about 20%, right? XRP don't look too bad, man. Won't have
Oh,
to lie there.
all right. Well, we're going to have to clip that one. Next, we're looking for TAO.
Oh, who requested
I
this
don't
one? This is
know.
a
It's
good
one
one.
of the newer members.
Yeah, nice. So yeah, I mentioned yesterday that there'd be a little short scalp off of this. I don't know if anyone took it. I did. I did okay-ish until I tried to go back at it, and then it took some back, but that's okay. Um, it happens. It's holding the bull channel on the 4 hour, right? This is getting top heavy though. It's made a nice move, right? Still has a bit of room here on the MACD on the daily. If you bought these dots, good for you, right? Like, well, that's a good little payday. And there wasn't just one. There was, a few confirmations. So just say if you bought it there, right? But that don't look like a 50% move. That's no joke in a week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, a little over a week, right? About the last dot. I like Teo. I think it's gonna get all-time high when it's ready. When it's time, mark my words, that it will break these highs. I
Yeah.
can see it put. I can see it pushing 1,000. That's where I have. I have a little bag, nothing serious. I'm gonna start accumulating this. I wish I would have bought more down here, but we could always say that, right? I'm gonna be buying some pullbacks on this. I'm gonna be DCAing it. I like tail, and that's my goal. So, roughly 4x. My average, I think, is 258 or something like that. So I'm up a little bit, not much. And like I said, it's not a big bag. I'm not trying to go at alts big. Um, I like Bitcoin. I like having my money in Bitcoin. I don't really care about the huge, 1,000% move. I could care less. I'm in it for the long run, not in and out kind of thing. Um, so I'm gonna stick to Bitcoin, but I just wanted to touch on Teo. I like Teo a lot, and I'm gonna be buying the next pullback. I'm hoping that I can get it in under 250 again. So I think the last time I bought it was right here or something. Because originally I was a little higher. Um, I DCA'd down on it, right? So, Teo, I like Teo. Like I said, I'm gonna be buying some pullbacks on Teo.
All right. Well, now we got CJ looking for hype. I'm assuming this is a hype coin.
Yeah, I'm familiar with it, kinda. I've seen it on Xi quite a few times. All the things ripping. Wow.
Oh, it's hyper liquid.
Yeah. Oh, that's scary. Look where that thing is, right? Let's see what broke up into FOMO again, though. It's been battling that, man. This thing looks pretty bullish, though. Gonna lie. I would definitely be watching, though. If you didn't already buy it, don't buy this thing, man. I can see one of these coming up anytime now. What about you, Pi?
Yeah, I would agree. I mean, we did modify. So, just for the record, we did update the indicator for you guys. So, there is an update available. Made a tweak to the 5 day and also made a small tweak to the red dots. So, yeah, I'm assuming we're going to be seeing one here. I mean, the MACD's pushing up, RSI, Stoke. So I can see one
Yeah.
for sure.
So I would definitely, if you're in this, it was a CJ that requested this.
Yeah.
CJ, if you're in this, man, definitely use a stop loss on that red dot, right? If if you bought this one here, good for you, man. I mean, you're up pretty big. I mean, that's almost 100% move, right? So I would definitely be using a stop loss. I wouldn't be looking at buying this. Um, although it does look like it definitely has more room to go. Just I can't really see it doing much more, man.
Well, we got the candle
Oh
closing in 5 seconds, so let's see if it starts to flash a red dot on that daily. And there we go.
yeah, I don't think it will, man. I don't think it will until it loses this. Until it starts to come down off of this. I think it'll hold that. Um, so yeah, Bitcoin just closed up into FOMO on the daily.
Yeah, so
That's
we did
a
get
big
some.
old bull hammer too.
It,
That's a
it
that's
did.
a beautiful candle or a scary one. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to think about everything right now, man. This is kind of yeah.
We did get a handful of 5 day gold dots that confirmed ZEC, Solana, Bonk, AVE, the total three. And there's one
Okay.
more. I can't really read it. My gotta look a little closer. Which one is that? Oh, it's XRP. Look at that.
Oh wow. Oh, there you have it. Oh, and
Oh,
ETH.
ETHD.
Yeah.
Oh,
Loki. We got shit coins coming in. Uh-oh, guys. Stay away. No. Don't be buying no flokies. No, that's
yeah. That A16Z, whatever the hell that one was, ended up getting delisted.
oh,
Sui.
ETH got a
ETH
five.
got a gold dot.
Wow. Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, the indicator's bullish, so we'll
Turbo.
see how.
Oh, we got the fart coin.
Oh yeah, it did. So is it going to be a repeat though? I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about the cough, guys. I was getting over being sick. I've had a cold the last, I don't know, a little over a week, right? So this here might be it, guys. Right here. This is what might be what we're looking at. Right? Kind of the same thing.
Yeah. We
Maybe.
kind of go
No.
up, kind of pull back down again.
Yeah.
World Liberty
What
Financial.
uh I still anticipate some pullbacks here. I mean, I I can't see how we don't pull back some. Uh, especially like look where we're at, man. It's heavy. I posted the order book on Bitcoin, and it was polluted in the zone, right? Things
Mm-hmm.
could change though. Um, Look, we got a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Uh, Dominance, like that to me is bull flag, right? Just like this one played out, right? So that's not good. This here, I mean, no one really knows what B, uh, BTCD is going to be doing here. 'Cause, I mean,
Mm.
it's been undecided now forever. Like this is a weeks, right? Um, DXY is rejecting off of that, right? And that held that for support forever, right? Like you know, all 3 4 years. So that's something to take into consideration, right? This year though, look, what's that? Bear flag, big time, right? So again, just like this here, everyone thought we were bottomed and it was going up, right? Uh, so there's some red flags for sure. Let's get to the next
Yeah,
one.
that was CJ. Next, we got the Goose looking for LUMN. This is a Lumen Technologies.
That don't look good. Rejected off of the basis line here. See what we got going on here. Not sure why I have that line. Did I look at this before? I must have. Ooh, cup and handle off of this line too, hey? Oh, buddy.
Mm.
Yeah, this don't look too bad if it can play out, but I don't think it will by the looks of it. Still holding the 200 there though, Goose. It's about to cross. Interesting to see how that plays. This year though, look, it's about to form a bear channel on the 5 day. That's scary, right? Lost the basis line here. Clear down channel here. Looks like fake break into a sell off into capitulation, maybe, right? I'd be watching that for sure, but there is a nice cup and handle here, man. Uh, I'd have to look at this a little more, chart it out a little better. Uh, because it's giving me some mixed signals here. I don't really like this thing. I think it's going to come down somewhere first goose. I'd be watching this again. I'd be watching in around $6 for another bottom. If it loses that, I can definitely see it coming back down into the 450 range and test this fair value gap that's right here, right? Um, yeah, big one there. So I'd be definitely paying attention to that, right? And it's similar structure here too, right? Two down, right?
Mm-hmm.
Two. So watch that, man. That's all. Watch the $6 mark. If it loses that, watch the 450 $5.
All right, next he's looking for JOBY. Is a Jobby in aviation.
Oh, that's a nasty looking chart there. I don't like this thing at all.
Is that a
Just
huge ass gap?
looking at, yeah, it is massive. Might come up to fill that, but I don't know. That looks like bait to me. Look at this. Look, what's it rejecting off of here? Right back holding that bear channel, right? Yeah, and look at the MAs of the stack. Yeah, it's holding support on the 100, but I don't think it's going to hold it for much longer. I think it's going to come back down and test this 200. As I'd be watching this around 750 or the 550 mark there, Goose. I like look, it's crossed here, just like here, kind of. And I think you're seeing a similar kind of move, right? Move sideways, little move up, move sideways, and right back down, right? Uh, and you're far way away from getting any kind of confirmation with the basis line, right? Which is what you need to get up over. Um, like look, even on the 4 hour, it's just saying no. I don't want to do it, and the daily. I'd be watching the 4 hour and the daily basis line for sure. It's so close and it's acting as hard resistance, right? So if you see a breakup over that basis line and a retest, that's super bullish because it's been acting as hard resistance this whole over this span where it's trying to call a bottom, right? So I'd be watching that for sure.
All right, next he's looking for AMPX. This would be Amprius Technologies. They
Oh,
make
this thing
silicon
looks,
anode lithium ion batteries.
yeah, this thing looks top heavy, man. But you could get a run up like this guy, right? But it's already up there. I mean, whew, FOMO on the 5 day, and like, look where it's at. It did do some more damage though afterwards, man. This thing can run. Uh, I don't know what it is, but my God, if you bought all that, man, bet you're buying all those bottoms, eh? I bet you Albert's rolling in money on this guy. Um,
Oh yeah.
red dot here. It's got some gaps low, man. That's kind of a scary gap there between 13 and 1275.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Hmm. Interesting.
but no, this here, I mean, if you caught it earlier, it's nice, but here, no, it's too high. Everything's saying way too high, right? You got FOMO on the 5 day. That doesn't happen very often or last long. Like, look, you got what, 10 days out of it before it came back down, and what you got the same roughly out of here, what, 5, 10, 15. So it could run up, man. And if you're in it, I would have been selling. I would have been selling it around $20 for sure. I wouldn't be holding on to this. Um, I'd be watching $15. $15 is definitely what I'd be watching for on this thing.
All right, let's see. Next, that was the Goose. That's it for him. That's all he's got there. KP's looking for Chain Link.
Nice. I haven't went over link in a minute. FOMO. FOMO on the 4 hour, right? And so we want to start seeing a string of these guys, right? Uh, you want to definitely see more than one or two. Sorry, I'm yawning, guys.
Did you have your
I'm
sleepy time
exhausted.
tea?
Oh no, man, I'm exhausted, bro. I've been working so much lately. I just finished that side job yesterday. That's nice to get over and done with. Now I've just got my regular job that I'm gonna quit soon anyway. Uh, I don't, I can't, I don't know. I just, yeah. Anyways, that's that's
You're not having
for
any
another
indica
time.
over there, are you?
No, I don't do that. Drugs are bad. Um, so yeah, Link, it's breaking up at a bear channel here on the 5 day. I would like to see retest on this 9 EMA here, so I'd be watching around 950. I'd be definitely watching it around 950, right? You want to see that whole nine? Oh, not definitely. We want to hold $9 here. I would not want to see Chainlink lose $9 here. That's gonna bring out the bears, man.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if you guys been buying down here, good for you, right? Um, I think my average link is like still at like $13 or something. I haven't been DCAing much at all, right? Um, because the way that I look at it is if we're going up and gonna do, you know what I mean, what we're supposed to be doing, what's the big hurry for me to change my price from $13 to $10 or $11 or whatever? I mean, uh, in my mind, I'd be adding too much risk for no reward in my opinion because I already have the reward that's sitting there that just needs to play out, right? There's no point in adding unneeded or unwanted risk here. Um, because like I said, I don't know if are we gonna get this? Like it's a big possibility, right?
Yeah.
And do I want to buy this? I have to not be able to sell because I mean you don't get very many chances if you buy one of these in bear, you're kind of effed. It didn't go any higher. The only way to get any lower was to buy again, right? And then at what point are you like, I don't even want to buy anymore? So, but Link, I mean, Link, overall, long term, man, I'd be buying it with long term goals.
Yeah. It's
Take some
definitely
profit here and there.
one of my biggest bags is Link.
Oh, yeah, man. I've been pushing Link for a long time. I like Link a lot. I think people are gonna make a lot of money with Link going in the future, right? It
Yeah.
has no competition, and it's like one of a kind of what it does, right? So Link, I mean, I like Link. Just keep DCA and Link.
All right. So next we got Art looking for CRML.
Critical Metals Corp. There. Um, Bear Channel. Don't look too good there. Um, Bear Channel. Don't look too good there. Just crossed over into a down channel too. MACD just crossed over too. Oh yeah, low rejected the basis line on the retest. Try to get up over. No, no. This thing's going into a bear channel. I can almost guarantee you um that invalidated cup and handle there or something or tried to form it. I don't know what it was trying to form here. That's a weird broken structure. Um yeah, this thing looks rough, man. I'd be watching right here. Definitely. If that came in around $7 again, Art, I would buy it. I would I would take a stab at it in around here, off of this 100 or this 50 here. Um, but I can definitely see this going into capitulation here, and selling off and trying to find a bottom somewhere. Um, that's a double top. I mean. It it's hard to say because that's so much different than this, right? But it is still just a lower high, right? Eh, yeah, it's starting to try to call bottom here though, so I'd watch that, right? Um, if you do play it, play safe, man. I'd definitely be using a stop loss on this. I don't know anything about it really, and I don't know what critical metals already had a run up, right? So, could very well be end of the run for these guys, and money could be trickling over into risk on assets, right?
All right. Next he's looking for BTB. So
Which one says Bit Digital? Yeah, it's definitely Bit Digital.
yeah, yeah, I have no idea.
I
There's a
like
few
this
of them.
already. I like this already, man, just because of how low it is. I mean, can it go lower? Absolutely, but it'll go a lot higher, so I wouldn't really worry about it too much. Um, it's definitely trying to call bottom here, right? Uh, I'd be watching this basis line. Hard resistance here, right? same thing as what I just said about the other one. If it closes up over this and then a retest, I would look at that as super bullish. Um, just because it's been acting as hard resistance forever, right? Same with here. Like, look, it's been, you know, that there's been a neckline resistance for a minute, right? And it is trying to hold that 9 to pull it up through that basis line to form bull channel, right? So I'd definitely be watching this. The MAs are where you want them. The stacks are right. The stacks are right here, and the stacks aren't right here, but they're far enough down where this is could be where it's trying to call a bottom, right? And it is trying to call a bottom here on the 5-day, right? Kind of didn't quite play out, but either this one right away, either right till they started to play, right? So let's see how that plays out. I kind of like this thing though. I'd be watching the basis line. So
All right. Next, he's looking for Mara.
Mara, I like Mara. I think Mara, you'll do good with Mara over a longer outlook, right? Mm, That's scary. That's a scary candle, scary structure. Might be just coming down to reclose this gap. It might not want to gap down that low. I'm not quite sure. Double top here, possibility, right? Uh, and as it sits right now, that's bearish divergence, and there's like no buys here off of this. That scares me a little bit. Usually you get something right, even when it doesn't even play out. Uh, I'd be watching this art. Trying to break bear, but it rejected the 9, right? It's holding, it closed over. It been trying to hold this bases, lost the bases, and chop around, hit the upper band, and it's rejecting it, right? Uh, I would definitely be watching right here. This is going to be your neckline support, 880 to 820, call it 830, in around there, right? I'd be watching it if you're in it, right? If not, I'd be waiting, and I'd be buying pullbacks on this thing. I mean, look how far down it is, and it's related to Bitcoin and BlackRock. So yeah, I think you'll do good with this in the long term. Um, I like Mara.
All right. Next, we got Austin in the YouTube chat, actually looking for EDENA.
ED.
EDENA. Those are capital
Yeah.
partners. They operate with global integrated security token offerings. It's a crypto.
You talking about EDA?
Well, it says
Athena?
EDENA.
EDENA. All right, it's here. Oh yeah, okay, there we go.
That can't be right.
Whoa. What? What do you mean it
No,
can't be
it's about
right?
80,000.
You said it's a crypto?
That's what it looks like. Let me
How can
look
it be
for it.
80
Let me look for it
80,000?
on mine.
Can't be 80,000. I'm it sure as I'm talking about ENA.
Mm-hmm.
This has got to be it right here, man. 3 cents? Sounds right. I think this is it, man.
Hmm.
holding the baseline, holding the bull channel on the four. But that's a scary, scary structure, man. Don't really know what this next one though. Yeah, right about here. Is the right one? Did he say? Maybe
I
you
don't
can say
know.
in
We'll go
chat.
to the next one. If you put the name of whatever it is in the chat, and then we come back to that. Next one we look at is bull.
Bull,
This is what Weeble.
Weeble. Yeah, bear channel. Yuck. This looks like a fake off, man. That doji there. Yuck. Yeah, this thing's ugly. Rejected the basis with been having a hard time and a half with this thing, man. That's clearly selling off hard.
Mm.
Clear, clear bear channel with no hope of coming up at all. I don't know what this thing is or what it does, but it does not look good at all. I don't know. This thing looks like it's gonna die. Like no joke. I don't know.
Oof.
Yeah, no, this is ugly, man. It's up too. Oh no, that was the last one. Yeah, see, yeah, I don't like this thing. No, bull looks like bullshit.
Yeah. All right. Next, I look for Robin Hood. So it should be Hood.
All right, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, same scenario. Needs to clear this basis. Um, it's hard resistance off of it right now, right? Right back into bear channel, and it looks like it's gonna form a solid bear channel into maybe capitulation again. I don't like this. It doesn't look too good. Looks like look how far this came up with like next to no positive price action. So yeah, that's yeah. Um, it doesn't look good for the hood. Um,
Mhm.
it does want to try to call bottom here though on the 4 hour, right? But maybe though there is some divergence there, hidden divergence right here. See on this bottom.
Yeah. Oof.
No, that's good.
No, I was
Oh,
looking at something else here.
oh,
I was looking to see a
oh
red.
no. Never mind. No, I thought this was lower. That's not even. No. It's just shitty price action. I don't like this thing. Um, Definitely have to see it clear this basis line before anything. This is going to be its hard resistance, and it's going to keep acting like it until it breaks over, retests it. There's no and ifs or buts about it. That thing will continue to go down as long as it's under this blue line.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for the request from the Discord. The yeah, the watch list is all mostly red now, so that's nice. Except for CHZ, it's up 7% almost.
No, the candle didn't switch over.
Oh, it didn't.
No, 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 no volume. No volume to change the price yet.
Oh,
No
I'm
new
gonna say,
candle
man,
yet.
that's everything else is in the shitter right now. Of course, a few minutes into the candle, but
I did call a short out on this right at the top
no, yeah,
at 288. posted it in the Discord. I don't know. I'm still in it. I don't know where I'm at on it right now. I was there, but yeah. Or what was it? 286, 287.
Mm-hmm.
Close enough, man. Close
Yeah,
enough.
it's pretty damn close.
Yeah, 287 right there. So yeah, maybe hmm, I should probably close this. Maybe I don't know. It's so much unknown right now, man. I don't like it. I don't. I usually like to know or have like a really, clear idea of what's happening, but I can't. I mean, right now it's just there's so much stuff going on in and outside of crypto that it's really hard to be like, yeah, hey, listen, guys, for sure this is bottom or whatever, right? But I mean, like I said, like 2 weeks ago or whatever it was, this very well could be. I mean, I'm not one to ignore the possibility, right? But I'm also not the one to ignore the possibility that this is just a bull trap, right? Um,
Yeah, trying to push
could
that
also,
75K here.
yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now, right? So, this will be interesting to see how it plays out. I mean, like I said, Bitcoin looks bullish, just like super bullish. I mean that, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Things can change pretty quick, man, in crypto.
Yeah, it doesn't take very much, right? I mean, Trump could put everything in the shitter tomorrow, or even
Yeah, well,
tonight.
yeah, who knows? But yeah, right on, man. This was a good show. I hope everyone took advantage of the red days and now take advantage of the green days, right? Make sure you're securing some kind of profit or sticking to your plan, whatever it may be, accumulating just by DCAing or accumulating by buying and selling. Um,
Yeah.
Whichever, pick your poison, right? Um, Thanks for running the show, Pi.
Sure. Yeah. So if anybody wants to join the Discord, it's only $5. You can join up there, and it helps keep the lights on so we can keep this going. And you can get the alerts from the indicator that you see on the screen that Mager was going over. It sends all kinds of stuff to the Discord. We'll take a look and see here. I'll show you one of the round robins coming in. It, we'll list out all the capitulation and the FOMO channels and all that stuff for all the tokens here. It will give you some technical analysis on. You can see we're breaking down below the 50 MA here on the ENA. Give you stop loss recommendations on the 4 or 5 and the 4 hour, the 1 day, and the 5 day time frames. So all kinds of stuff, and you can tailor it towards your investment portfolio. You also get access to the dot channels. Will give you all the gold dots and the red dots and the 4 hour, the daily, the 5 day, and also the stocks. Everything's all broke out separately. So it's not all commingled. So if you want to join that, links in the description. Then you can join up, and then you can talk to Mager all day long. Could you imagine that? I mean,
Yes.
everybody
Bitcoin
just
charts for
enjoys it.
days.
Yeah, you'd get your daily Bitcoin breakdown almost by the hour over here. So, but thank you for going over everything. Appreciate you and all the time that you spend in the Discord helping out all the members. We do appreciate it. And as always, we will be back next week. I know I got a tournament next week, so it's only a 1 day. So either show will
Should
be
be
a
good.
Friday or Saturday. I don't know what the schedule looks like.
We'll
So,
figure it out.
but we
We'll
will
keep you
figure
guys
this out
posted.
and let you guys know. I am going to take a peek at the indicator after the broadcast. I might push out one more update, so I'll let you know in the Discord. But until then, thanks for everything, guys, and we will talk to you next week.
Thanks, guys.
Peace.